Let's start the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
2.5 minutes of match play now await us here in match number 62. Ice Robotics for blue, launching shots up from close. Their alliance partners Strive out of Thailand, launching from afar. Artifact still cycling through repeatedly for both of these machines. Red Alliance, though, putting up a strong showing as well. 26-013 Bengal bots out of San Diego, California. Running around the field, though, getting a little bit hung up with their alliance partner, holding for the rest of Autonomous as blue takes some final shots.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, two, one.
Now Blue Alliance leads 73-24 coming out of the Autonomous period. Ice Robotics looking to cement that with their robot Hailstorm, firing up straight on into the goal. Going 1 for 2 on their most recent volley, now playing the close field. They swap with Strive. Strive staying up close, clearing out the gate, making sure those artifacts can fall all the way in and fully classify, thus being worth 3 points instead of what they would otherwise be worth 1 point if they roll off the top. Ice Robots getting a little bit of a tussle with Red Alliance member Bengal bots, slowing them down just a couple seconds. Slightly slowing down the scoring rate, but Blue Alliance still retaining a lead even with that. 136-53, leading as we had 1:20 left to go in match number 62. Red Alliance member 23-284 Beta Module from Jackson, Missouri, loading up in that Alliance zone. They've got artifacts in their tunnel feeder, pushing them through 1, 2, 3, right through their dual flywheel design. All three go right on into the ramp, scoring for some points to the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance quickly closing in on a goal RP. This dual volley off Ice and Strive may very well do it. 223 now to 88 as Blue Alliance locks up the goal RP. Now into the 70s for artifacts scored. 40 seconds to go. Red Alliance still churning it through. Bengal bots and Beta Module both aligned together. Dropping off a volley of artifacts, bringing in more and more scoring. Blue Alliance clears out their classifier, making more space for more artifacts to score, which Ice will drop off right away. Now taking advantage of some spare fuel by that Blue Alliance gate. Endgame has begun. 15 seconds to go. 284-135 is the Blue Alliance lead for now. As teams keep on working to go. Looks like the team out of Missouri, Beta Module, may have deployed a kickstand type design to try and get a full climb. Blue going
is Blue Alliance with a score of 332. Ice Robotics still ranked number 1. And now